everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be planning in my classic happy planner for the week of April 13th through the 9th. This week's theme is going to be yellow. I thought it was a bright springy color and I kind of like the challenge of going through and trying to find stickers that were yellow. So as always, to get started, I'm going to lay down some washi over the lines. I'm not super thrilled with this washi color, but it was the only yellow that I had. And just like with my sticker collection, I like using my washi because it's not getting any love just sitting in the drawer. Okay, so I've gone ahead and pre-selected some of my yellow stickers. These were actually big Happy Planner stickers that I punched down to fit the classic size. I like these graphical kind of stickers that can serve as a background. This really is yellow. It looks kind of green in my camera monitor screen thingy, but it really is yellow. Hopefully it'll come out yellow. Didn't have as many options for my big quote stickers, but this one I thought was cute. This is a brand new day. And then we've got Hello Weekend. Love that. Got another quote sticker here. No beauty shines brighter than that of a kind heart. Okay. Life is so good. I'm going to be adding more decorative elements, but for now I think I'm going to go ahead and start to lay down my action boxes. Okay, and I think I'm just going to put this little planner disc here to remind me to work on my planner this weekend. I'll add a strip of color here. Okay, so this turned out really pretty cute, I think. I like it. I'm excited to see how it looks after the pen. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified of more content that I post, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you join my community here on YouTube. Thanks, guys. Bye.